So your name is Kat Benatar.
I have a punny name. Ha 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 ha. Punny. It's funny. So I was gonna bat at that, but I'm tired or something.
You're tired.
I'm kind of giving it a half-assed look here. Oh! I said naughty word.
Well,
You're not supposed to do that on TV.
it's true.
Oh my goodness. I hide my face in shame.
We'll try our beep button, okay?
Okay, beep. Funny. But I really am kind of just doing it like, I'm bored with this now.
Like, you know, it's your nap time.
My name should have been, like, Prima Donna or something with Kat.
Yeah?
Because I'm kind of like sassy molassy.
You are.
Yeah. How about, like, Madonna Purr? I don't know.
Oh,
I don't know. Like a kitten purring for the very first time. Like a kid. Okay, I think we all need naps.
Yeah, I have to agree with that.
Okay, well the mail's here. Maybe I got a letter.
The mail is here.
Yeah.
Okay, well good.
Okay, see you later.
Okay, bye. Oh, yeah, bye.
Oh.